Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your account is logged in so events sync correctly. Once logged in, open the Outlook desktop app or Outlook Live. In a browser. This ensures full calendar features. Click the calendar icon in the lower left to switch from mail to calendar. Make sure your mailbox has finished syncing before you create calendars or import events. Doing this first prevents duplicates and missing invites, so pause until sync shows current items. Then proceed to add or subscribe to a calendar. Now add the calendar itself. Click Add Calendar and choose whether to create a blank calendar, subscribe via URL, or import a AIX file. If you paste a calendar URL, you'll subscribe and receive updates, importing a AIX copies events without updates. Name the calendar, pick a color for quick scanning, and adjust permissions if sharing. Once configured, check Overlay View to see combined schedules. This helps you verify entries didn't clash, and that notifications are enabled for this calendar. Finish by sharing and syncing. Set calendar permissions to give others view or edit access, or send calendar to export a snapshot. Make sure your phone's Outlook app has account sync enabled so events appear across devices. If items don't show, sign out and back in, re-add the calendar, or clear Outlook cache to force a resync. This resolves most missing entry issues. If subscribing via URL still fails, verify the feed's address and that it supports public iCal access before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.